Value Assessment tab. In this tab, you can evaluate a parameter from the intended signal in a specified time. First, a step ramp with the voltage from 55 volts to 65 volts with 1 volt and 40 milliseconds steps has been created. In the norm column, you can select a name for your assessment, for example, voltage. You also have to select a state in the reference state column and the intended signal in the signal column for assessment, which is state 1 and VL3E will be selected respectively. In the signal type column, you have to adjust which parameter should be evaluated. Here, this parameter is selected as amplitude, so the amplitude of the VL3E signal in the assessment time is measured and evaluated. Now, the specified time for assessment should be entered in the time column that here 200 milliseconds is selected. In the norm column, the expected value for the amplitude of the selected parameter is specified, which here the expected value for the VL3E phase voltage should be adjusted. For example, here the voltage is set to be 60 volts. In addition, in the DEV plus and DEV minus columns, the positive and negative tolerances are entered. Note that these tolerances can be different from each other. Therefore, the positive tolerance and negative tolerance are entered as 1 voltage and 0.5 voltage respectively. Then run the test. After completing the test, the actual value of the VL3E signal amplitude is shown in the ACT column. Also, its deviation from the expected value is specified in the DEV column in percentage, which here is 0%. In addition, the assessment result is specified in the assessment section. If the ACT value in the allowable range of tolerance, that is nominal minus DEV negative to nominal plus DEV positive, the assessment result is passed. Otherwise, it is failed. You see that because the ACT value is in the range of 60.5 voltage to 61 voltage, this assessment has been considered as passed. In addition, if you want to define a comment for your assessment, you can enter your intended comment in the user comment column.